Hi and welcome to this introduction video. Today we did a model of the ballistic impact or high velocity impact on a composite system. Here we have a back part, and that's the human tissue. The human tissue here, and before that we have some layer of a composite material. Any composite can be used here. Here it is the Kevlar with different orientation. And if I click on animate, you can see the bullet penetration and the deformation, and the human tissue here is filled because we use 500 meter per second for the steel bullet, and see the deformation of all parts. We use also interlaminar failure or cohesive behavior between each layer, and that's the result of the end. It is filled completely. We can use view mirror, for instance, exit, to have this model, for instance, or we can click here to make it fully model, for instance, like this. Okay, let me check the result for the damage. See here, the damage, huge damage happened in all the layers. See, all parts are filled. Oh, this is the compression damage for the matte fibers as a hashing criterion. Um, and this is the final frame. Compression, tension for the fiber, compression for the matrix. See here, the element fully filled, and delamination also happened here. Tension for matrix or plastic strain. See the plastic strain for human tissue, and it means it is filled completely. Or a stress displacement or Johnson-Cook damage for the bullet also failed because of the protection layer, and that's the Kevlar. Okay, so if you want to model the human tissue and the composite layer as a Kevlar or anything under the ballistic impact, high velocity impact, you can use this tutorial. So to provide this tutorial, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial. This is the English tutorial. Click on a title or blue sign. Then you will have title, an overview, assembly, application, and then the result as figures you can see. The cost for the CAINP codes and English video file step by step is 30 euros. We use all the payment method like all cryptocurrencies, Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, any, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, contact us at this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the tutorial content, or anything that you want to know. For now, thank you for your attention.